Can you see it now?
No, still blank.
Stay blank.
Okay, I can see it now.
Okay. So that is uh, that is so that is where we stopped last time. Cell-referencing and cell-referencing
So
and
what was the topic?
we are talking about cell-referencing and formula. We're going to enter formulas now. Formulas and functions in Excel. Formulas and functions in Excel. Formulas, functions, and Excel. So in last time, if you remember very well, we said in Excel is like Excel. In Excel, we can carry out mathematical functions and logic in Excel.
Mm.
Mathematical functions like plus, minus, multiplication, division in Excel.
Mm.
So, for example, in for addition, okay, let me just try the title. From formulas.
Formula, function, and Excel.
No, formula and
This
functions. Formulas,
formula and function
formulas
in
and
Excel.
functions in Excel. You can see my screen now.
Yes.
Okay. So under formulas and functions in Excel, what are we talking about? We are talking about that in Excel, you can do mathematical 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 calculations and logical calculations or decisions. So that's what you can do in Excel, and even a bit of programming. We can do that in Excel. So we are going to do this. We are going to do this too. The first one, the mathematical. Then the second one is logical. So under mathematical calculations, we have things like this. We have plus. We have addition. Sorry, addition or plus. This is it. Here is it. We have subtraction or minus.
Still under mathematical.
Yes, under mathematical or calculations.
Addition or plus, subtraction and multiplication under mathematical.
Subtraction or minus, then multiplication or what you call times.
What do we have under logic? Logical. Is it subtraction and minus?
No. See, this is what
Okay.
I'm talking about. This
All
now.
this is under mathematical.
Yes, all these are under mathematical.
Okay.
So the symbol for it is this. In mathematics is X, but in in Excel it is this sign. This sign you are seeing. This sign, this asterisk. Then we have division. Division or yes, division. We call it. This is the symbol for division in Excel. This backslash or forward slash. Then they will now have exponential. Exponential is power raised to power exponents. That is we call it or raised to power. Raised to power. And this is the sign. In Excel, this is the sign. So you can get this one, this sign. You can get this sign when you press shift key plus 6. That's what you get, plus 6. You get it. It will give you this. Then this one you press shift key plus 8. Then this minus sign is minus. The additional sign is shift. We press shift key plus equal to sign. On the equal to sign, you see it. So that is how you get this. That's how you get it. This plus sign, the plus sign, and the plus sign, the minus sign. Then you have the multiplication sign. You can see my screen. Can you see my screen? Okay. Hello. Can you see my screen? Hello? Can you see my screen? Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Victoria says that she has logged in. She's in, but she cannot hear anything.
She's not in. She's not in. I can't see her here.
That she has logged in, but she can't hear you.
You should tell her to log out and log in again. She's not in the chat room. I can't see her.
Okay.
She's not there. Okay, she has joined now.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, I've seen her.
Sister Victoria, if you can hear us, unmute yourself and talk, please. Hello? Unmute yourself and talk, please. Now we can know that you are with us. Okay. Can you say something, Sister Victoria? If you can hear us, please say something. Hello? Hello, Sister Victoria, please say something. On mute. Okay, let's go back to our screen when she connects. Because we have little time. Okay, let's look at the screen again. We have the mathematical calculations. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponents. So what are the examples we can have of addition in Excel? Examples of additions. Example, as we said, examples are here. for addition, we have, as you remember, for us to have any formula in Excel, to have we have to put the equal to sign. The equal to sign is the first thing. So, for example, in Excel, we can add numbers directly. 2 plus 4. It will give you the answer. That's an example of a formula. Another one you can have a self-reference plus number. You can say 2 plus M5 or M6, depending on whatever is in M6. It will put the value there. You can also use self-referencing totally. Say can say n can equal to n6 plus O6. So these are examples of how you can enter additions in Excel. Mr. Kate, I hope you are there. You are still there? Are you people hearing me? Hope I'm not talking to myself.
I can hear you.
Okay, fine. Please always keep it up. So, if you...
But I'm not seeing the screen again.
You're not seeing the screen again. Okay, I'm going to reshare it again. I'm going to reshare the screen again. Make sure you are connected. Can you see it now?
No.
Check your network. So we're seeing it now. Are you seeing it now?
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can see the examples of additions. For additions, you can add...
Wait.
Examples of additions. What do you see?
The screen I'm seeing is... I'm coming. Continue, sir.
Okay. From what is on the screen, we have...
You can't see it.
You can't see it.
It's not bold in my screen. I don't know what I even...
It's not bold.
I'm trying to make it bold. Yeah.
Please make it bold. You have to increase your screen distance. So what we have on the screen, we have the examples of additions. Examples of addition on the screen. With the first one is you can have numbers only. You can add numbers directly. 2 plus 4. You can add the numbers there. By the time you work it out, 2 plus 4 will give you... By the time you enter the real formula, because I had to show you the examples. If I had to enter the formula 2 plus 4, it will give us 6 directly. That's the Excel will give you directly the answer. But I only did it so I can see the end result. So I only did it so I can see the end result. So when you say when you enter the formula 2 plus 4, Excel will give you the answer. Will give you the answer directly instead of what you are seeing on the screen. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 2 plus 4 equals to 6. You can add directly. You can add a value directly, and it will give you your answer. But in this case of this one that you have as a formula, you have a number and you have a formula. There must be something in this formula for it to work. There must be something there. There must be a value, a number for it to work. Let's say we are referring to this. We are referring to this now, N6. So let's change the formula to N6 and see. So I want to do n6, and we come here. I want to put the formula here. Equal to 2 plus n6. You see, 2. You're adding 2 to n6. Whatever is on n6. This is n6. This is n6 for you. Let's look at the formula. You can see n6. We say whatever, add plus 2 plus whatever is in n6 is what is inside the formula, and it gives us 8. That's the answer, 8. So that's the answer. This is n6, the place where we got the formula from. So 2 plus n6, this 2 plus n6 will give you this. That's what this formula is all about. This one here, this formula here, that is what it's all about. Now, so for this one now, for this formula, that must be something in n6 and something in o6. This place is o6. There's nothing there presently. So let's put something like 200 here. 200. Then this formula now, we now enter it here. You say n6 plus o6. This is o6. This is n6. So this formula is adding the 2. So say n6 plus o6. Can you see it? If you can see it, let me know, Sister Kate. I don't know what I can hear.
Sir? I'm with you.
Okay. So n6 plus o6. n6 plus o6 will give you the answer. You can see 2 plus 200 is equals to 206. And all we needed to do was to enter the formula. Enter the formula. n6 plus o6 will give you the result. But this is the formula you have to put. And this formula is, you are referencing the cell. It's cell we are referencing the cell. You did not put the numbers direct. Unlike this one where you put the numbers direct. You just
Your screen is black, so I can't see your screen again. I can see it now.
Okay. So it's from your end, though. Your network is fluctuating.
I can see it now.
Okay. So you can see this first one, we entered the number direct. 2 plus 4, it gives us 6. But this other one, is made up of the number and a cell reference. 2 plus n6. 2 plus n6, which gives us 8. Yeah. Then this one, both of them are formula references. They are not numbers. They are not mixture of numbers and text or formula. So they gave us this. We are calling on this, adding this and this. Without putting the number, we just reference their cell reference. n6 plus o6. They give you, when you add it together, I give you 206. This is how addition is done in Excel. Yeah, you must use the operator. The operator is plus. The operator is the plus sign. Without the plus sign, you put something else, you get something else. So these are examples of addition. Addition in Excel. So if you go to subtraction, minus. In case of minus, how do we go about it? Same. The only thing we do here, we change the formula. We change the formula. Since you understand this now, let's say in subtraction is minus. We are doing minus. So what do we do? You can have this for numbers. For example, same thing as this. It can say 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 will give you what?
That sign up in subtraction. Where did you get it from? Before you type the equal to, there's a sign.
Yes. If you are you,
Mm.
the sign is minus now. Minus where you see on your screen.
Okay.
The minus sign.
Okay.
So when you enter it equal to 4 minus 2, what will it give you? 2. You can see it. 4 minus 2 will give you this. Can you see it? If you want to do this one now, say 2 minus, let's say 2 minus 4. That's 2 minus 4. What will it give you? It will give you
2.
No, 2 minus 4. What will 2 minus 4 give you? Can you see it?
2 minus 2.
Minus 2. Good. So because 2 is smaller than 4, so it will be owing it 2.
Sorry, sir. Let me ask this. Yeah. If you press the is equal to 2 minus 4, then the answer will drop down immediately.
Yes. No, it's not that it drops down. See, I'm only using this to show you what I'm doing. This is the actual formula.
Yes. So that's what I'm asking.
Yeah, it's not that to drop. Anywhere you see a formula, the answer will be inside that the answer will be where the formula is. This one, I just put this one on the screen so that you can see it. If I remove what I put there now, you will see is the answer you'll be seeing, not the formula. Do you understand?
Because what I'm having as you are doing, me, I'm trying on my laptop.
Yes.
So
as you are trying on the
are you there?
As you are trying on the laptop,
yes.
You will not see the answer. You will not see this formula like this. I only wrote it so that you can see what I'm doing.
As I'm done.
Yes.
Okay. That's what I wanted to know.
As you enter it, will give you the answer instead of this. It will not show you this.
Yes, the formula will not be there. It's only the answer.
Exactly. So I only wrote it down so you can see the formula. But in real life, you don't see the formula. When you're actually doing you won't see the formula. I only pointed in this one now as something you should see. It's only
I can't see your screen again.
It's on your end though. Check your end.
Okay. It has appeared. Yeah, I can see it now.
So on the second one now, on the second one where you may have mix, look at this one now. We have mixture of number and text, or number and function. We say minus. Yeah, using minus now. Yeah, using minus. Look at it will be 2 minus n6. 2 minus n6. So this n6 is here. So we say equal to 2 minus n6. What do we have?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Why? Because 6 is bigger than 2. So it would subtract it and be owing it another 4. So it's going minus 4. So exam will always give you the correct answer. It's going to give you, even if that's not what you want to do, it will give it to you because that's what you type. Because if you minus something from somewhere, it has to look for that means you are adding an extra owing. You have not paid fully. So you have paid for 2, but remaining 4 to balance off. So let's look at this other one now. You say n6. N6. This one is n6 minus n6 minus 06. So n6 minus 06. I only copied and paste down. You can see n6 minus 06. Let's enter the formula now. n6 minus 06. Can you see it? I enter the formula.
Yeah.
What's the result? Minus 194.
Minus 194.
Yeah. So you can see because the number here is still bigger than the one that they are subtracting for. So if this is not what you want, maybe there is a problem with the formula. Maybe you have to subtract the small one from the big one. That's the level. But if you are using this formula as it is, minus 2 minus 4, 2 minus n6, N6 minus O6, then you have to understand that this is you have to understand that it will give you the value. All of them are in minus because the one in front is smaller than the one after it. Do you understand now? Subtraction.
No, I don't understand that one.
Okay, what don't you understand?
Take it that one again. Take that subtraction.
This one. But you understand this one?
This last one.
Wait, do you understand this one?
Yes.
What do you understand about it?
It's equal to 2 minus 4.
2 minus...
The answer is minus.
Yes, because 4 is bigger.
2 minus 4. The answer is minus 2.
Minus 2. Why? Because this 4 is bigger than 2. This 4.
2, yes.
This 4 is bigger than 2. When you are removing something big from one to small, it will still be remainder. It's like somebody is owing you 400 naira. And he paid 200 naira. He still be left with 200 naira or 2 naira. Okay. Let's for example now. Let's start with this one. You have 200. You have 2 naira. You have 2 naira. Then you want to buy. You want to buy something of 4 naira. So the person say, okay, you do have 4 naira. Pay the 2 naira. You'll be owing me 2 naira. Is it not so? So you are still owing even after you gave the person 2 naira. What you bought is 4 naira. You'll be owing the person 2 naira. That's what it means.
Okay.
So the same principle here too. This one, you have 6 naira in your hand. 6 naira. This is it, 6 naira. Then you bought something of 200 naira. The person says, okay, bring the 6 naira. Then you'll be left with what? To pay the balance of 194. So this minus shows that you are still owing the person 194 naira. You gave the amount is 200 naira. You pay 6 naira, but you still have 194 to pay the person. Do you get it?
Yes.
So minus simply means you are still owing even though you have paid some out of the amount. It happens like that. Do you understand now? If you don't understand, let me explain again.
No, sir. Go ahead. Look for the next one.
No, do you understand now? I don't want you to...
Yeah, I understand. I use my laptop.
Okay, what it simply means that...
I will try with my laptop.
You have... See, so as you get this formula comes from here. This is N6. This is N, letter N. This is row 6. Can you see it? Letter N is on row 6. This is N6. You are referring to this number here inside here. Instead of 10-6, you put the...
Okay, the 6 is under the row.
Yes, it's the row now. We are calling... Okay, let's say we have 12 here instead of 6 because it's like it's confusing you. It's N, this letter N, this row 6. So where they meet is N6. Have you forgotten? Where N and 6
No, I'm not.
So your reference so your reference is N6. If you want to call this place, you say N6, you call it N6, and that's what you are calling up here. So N6 minus O6. You can see the under this this 0 is 200 that's inside. So we are not saying O200. We are saying O6 because it's on row 6.
O6.
Yes, so O6, what is inside O6 is 200. So
it's 200.
So by the time we remove what is in N, we add it to what is, we minus it from N6. What you have is minus 188. Do you understand now?
Okay.
It's like doing this, it's like doing it the other way around, but putting minus because this one is bigger. What you are removing from this is bigger. That's what I was trying to say. If you go to market with 200 naira, you bought something of 12 naira. Sorry, you go to market with 12 naira and you see something of 200 naira you must buy, and your customer say, okay, pay 12 naira, then come and balance me the rest later. And the balance you are going to pay later is 188. Do you understand? So that is what it is. But you can have it this way. Maybe this one will make you understand. Let's say it is 200 naira you have, and you have 200 naira. You saw something of 50 naira to buy. So I think you understand this one, because this one is bigger than this. So your formula here will be N11 minus O11. Can you see it? Can you see the formula? Look at the formula. N11 minus O11. The answer is 150. This is the formula again. This is the formula again. You say N11 minus O11. So what you are seeing here,
yes, sir,
you can see it. N11 minus O11. Because 200 is bigger than 50, the answer will be 150. There is no minus because it's bigger. There is still change. It's when you don't have, you are owing, you have minus. Do you understand? I want you to understand very well. Subtraction is in Excel or even in mathematics, even in accounting, is what I've used every example now to show you. If you go and buy something that is bigger than the amount you have, you pay the one you have and you still have a balance to pay back. You understand now? The balance you have to pay back is what is showing here under this 188 here. Are you okay? So we'll go to the next one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next one is division. Under division 2, you can have division. You can have something like this. 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6 in Excel, it will go. The next one can be 12 divided by the cell reference. We say N16. Then the third one we can have. As as formulas, all of them formulas. Can say O15
Sir?
divided by...
Sir, are you there?
I'm there, yeah.
Okay, what I want to ask is, typing as you type. Because my own, if I type and I move the cursor to another place, this thing will disappear. It's only the answer will be there. But me, I want it to be there. How will I do it?
Okay.
Like,
that's what is confusing you. Okay. Before I type, look at what is on my screen. Can you see this? In the formula bar.
Yes, I can see.
In the formula bar, I put apostrophe there before I type the equal to.
Okay.
So you remember, if you type equal apostrophe before anything, to turn it, even before a number, it will turn into a text. It will not be a number again, to be a text. Remember when we were treating text and numbers? Text and numbers. So I type it apostrophe before I type the formula. If I don't put the apostrophe, it will give me the
Let me try.
It will give me the numbers, the result direct.
How did how will I get that apostrophe
On your
on my
keyboard,
text?
you have I don't know how your keyboard is like. You see where you have the above the shift key. Above the shift key, there is a symbol like a that is close to where you have a quotation and below it is another one. Those are the where you have
On my
quotation.
laptop.
Yeah, on your laptop. If you have quotation, where you have quotation,
Okay. Below the shift key.
there's double quote and single quote. That's the apostrophe.
Okay. Okay.
On your keyboard, where you see the double quote, if you don't have double quote there, maybe it's a art sign.
I've gotten it.
You say, okay, you've gotten it, good.
I've gotten it.
Okay, so that's what I type before I type my formula. That's why you are seeing it. I just wanted to see it. It's not what normally we do. I'm only using it to teach. But in real
I
life,
see.
what I'll do is I just type the formula direct without any this thing. So in the second one, let's say in where we are referring to N6, N16, we have 6 there.
Mm.
So if we want to type this one now, we say equal to, you type 12 divided by, let's refer to N6. You can see it. N6.
Why is my screen off and on?
Eh?
Mm. It has come up.
Okay.
My screen is off and on.
It's your network. Your network is fluctuating. So you can see this same thing. This one to give you the same because this N6, we have something there. This is N6. There's something there.
Mm.
So if there's nothing there to give us 0, there's nothing here to give us 0 or error. Let's say there's nothing there. Let me delete it. Look at what is given.
Okay.
If there's nothing there today, it's division by 0 because you cannot divide something with 0. So it will give you error. So once something is there to give you the right answer. So the next one now, this one is all formulas. These are all both references, self-referencing. So under O15, there's nothing O15, there's nothing in F15. So O15, let me put something. Let's say 12. Then P15, I put 6. So let's say, look, let me not put 6 because let's see what will happen if we have something that is not that doesn't.
Where do we get the 12 from?
Eh?
Where do we get this 12 under O?
The 12 I typed it in.
Okay.
I typed it in. Okay, let's say we are putting 5 in this one instead of 6. Let's see. Say equal to O15 divided by P15. Can you see the formula? Let's enter.
Yeah.
What does it give us? The answer is what?
2.4.
2.4. Yes. The reason I give you 2.4 is that it will have fractions. It's not divisible by 5. Not completely divisible by 5. That will be left over. So that leftover has reduced, breaking down to the last portion. This is 0.4. Do you understand now? Because if you divide 12 by 5, it will give you 2. That is 10. The remaining 2, it divides into 4 parts, 4 places. That's why it gave me 2.4. Do you understand? So that's what it is. So you can see the formula.
That this is equal to 15 slash P15. Take it again.
Okay, is equal to what you have here is the reference O15 divided by P15.
Mm-hmm.
We give you 2.4.
Okay.
As long as you get the formula right, the answer will always be correct. Look at it. The answer will always be correct. Once you get the formula right, the answer will always be correct.
I want to ask.
Yeah.
As I use that the method for the thing to stay, not to move from my screen.
Mm.
If I If I remove my this thing, then I click in another line, the answer does not come out. Why?
If you use that apostrophe, the apostrophe is to tell you that
Mm-hmm.
it is not it's not a formula. It's a text. Excel will not recognize it as a formula. That that's
Okay.
that apostrophe converts it to text, to something that cannot change.
Okay.
So until you
Hmm.
remove it, that's when the result will take place.
Uh,
Uh-huh. So
all right.
in case you see something like that, you know that they either entered it as a text or they put an apostrophe there.
How will I remove the apostrophe?
How did you put it in the first place? Is it not, you did not type it? You type it in. So you go there and delete it.
Yes.
Just go there and delete it.
Delete it. Okay.
Once you delete it,
Okay.
it will turn into a formula. That's how you
Okay.
do it. So that is for division. Now for the one we now have now, exponents. Exponents.
Mm.
Exponents. The last one. This is where we may stop today because my battery is already going low. Exponents. So exponents. This is how exponents works. You can have it this way. Exponent 12 raised to power 2. And you can have the same formula form. Mixture of number and formula raised to power uh, raised to power n16 n20. Or we can have it as this. Equal to O19 raised to power P19. Okay, so can you see my screen now?
I can see.
Okay, so for this first one, is a mixture of these are numbers. These are numbers. So let's put the formula correct now. Say 12 raised to power 2. This is the answer. You are saying it's like square of 12. It's like 12 times 12. 12 times 12 will give you 144. Look at it. This is the formula we entered. Equal to 12 raised to power 2. I hope you know the meaning of raised to power. Raised to power is like,
I don't know.
this is raised to power. When you want to raise something by its power, this one is power. This 2 here. This one that you see, this 2 here is the power you should raise. This 2 is the power. We call it power. Power you should raise 12 is 2 times. Raise 12 2 times. The number of times you repeat the number is 2 times. So what you are having here is, this is what you are saying without raised to power. Say 12 times 12. 12 in 2 places. That's what it means. That's what you are saying here. This raised to power 2. If we say raised to power 3, if it's this one, raised to power 3, 12 raised to power 3, or 4, let's say 4. You say, this is what you are typing. 12 raised to power 'You can see how many times is 12 repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what it means. That power you see. Yes. So that power you are seeing is to tell you that any number you see after the symbol is the number of times.
How will I get the sign of this power?
You press shift and 6 now. You need to read what I wrote here. What I wrote here. Look at it. For you to get it, this is what you do.
Okay, I've got it. I've gotten
You
it.
press shift and 6. So power, the power is what is there. The power is the number of times you want it to repeat the first number. So in this case now, 12 raised to power 2 is 144. That is 12 times 12, 144. So if you say raised to power 3, if you say raised to power 3, if you say raised to...
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get along with what you are doing, because as you are doing, I'm pressing it on my laptop.
Okay.
The problem I'm having here is if I do the way you do there, I don't get the answer.
The way I did what?
Like this 12 raised to power 2.
2.
I use my screen is blank. 12 raised to power 2.
Yes.
This 144.
Yes.
I use the question mark sign I be what to do it. But when I click, I didn't have the answer did not appear.
It's not question mark. Oh.
Why?
It's not question mark.
It's what?
It's not question. I say when you want to get this you press shift with number 6. Shift, then number 6 follows.
No, I'm not talking about raised to power 2.
Which one?
I was asking you, how will I do it for it to be there, not to remove, and with the answers?
Okay.
And you tell me what to do, and I've gotten it. But what I'm having here, if I did it like that way, then to get the answer did not come up. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say.
In your formula, what did you start your formula with?
Is it from the formula I will change, or from this thing?
You say you want to get this 144. For you to get 144, you enter equal to 12, the exponential sign, followed by 2.
Okay. Let me try.
Okay.
Continue, sir. Sorry, I too stressed it today. No vex.
No problem. But did you get it?
Yes, I'm getting it. Just that I want to be perfect on it on the laptop.
Okay.
So that's why I'm following what you are doing, the example, so that I can get it, so that will be clear very well.
But you concentrate first before you do it. You can see. But can you try it now and see?
Yes, I'm trying. Continue.
Did you get it?
Don't worry, if I don't get it, I will still come back to you. I'm on it.
Okay.
But you continue.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for this one, you just need to enter the value. Once you press equal to 12, the exponential sign, 12 raised to power 2, just put the rate there, then 12 raised to power 2, enter it, you get the result. Straightforward. And that's what is 12 times 12. So if it was 12 raised to power 3, this is the power 3. Power 3. 12 raised to power 3. If you enter it, 12 raised to power 3, look at what it's going to give you. 12 raised to power 2 is going to give you 1,728. So that's how it goes about. It increases by the number of 12 times 12 times 12 times 12. So that's what it's giving us. So let's quickly do the other ones, because I have my battery is warning now. My battery one is there now.
Okay.
So for these other ones, the same thing. Let's say we have in cell N20. That's in cell N20. We have 4. We have 4 there. And I'll now say equal to 12 exponential or real power 12 power 4. You can see it gives us the value. 12 raised to power 4 give us the value. Then for this one, let's say in in O we have a number. Let's say we have 6. We have 6 here, or 5. Let's say 6. Then this one is 10. No, let's say 10. Let's say 4. So 6 and 4 in O19, P19 will come here and enter. O19 raised to power P19. Enter. Look at the value. Can you see the formula? It's O19 raised to power P19. They give you this. So that is how you enter the formula. If you have any question, please you can put it in the chat group later on. I will attend to it. Because of battery life, I want to quickly save this so that you will be able to watch it. Then lastly also, I will send your test today so I can complete it. Your test, I will send it so I can
Today, do it. What time?
Yeah? Maybe by...
Is it now?
I will send it around maybe 12:30. 12:30.
Okay.
So you can do it today. I'll reset everything and you can do it very well. So thank you very much for the class. Please, if you have any question, please put it in the chat group. I will answer them. So have a lovely day and God bless.
And you too.
Yeah.